Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I've come up with a new topic that is fix and solve Duolingo sound. To fix Duolingo's sound issue, you could first of all check your device's volume settings to ensure it's not mute. So for that, you want to go to the settings, or else you could just tap onto the side buttons as well, and then you want to go to sound. Here, make sure that the media volume is to the maximum level. You could also go with the ring and notification as well. However, this is not actually what we are looking at. You could just go with the media and it should be able to fix it as well. After which, in some cases, you might have not enabled permission, so you want to long press the Duolingo application, go to this app info section, and then you want to go to permissions. So here you want to make sure to enable permissions such as microphone as well as contact, all of these, and you should be able to get the volume, or you should be able to see the issue has been solved. However, if that's not the case, try updating the application. So go to your respective app store. On the search box, you want to type in Duolingo, see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, then you could try clearing your cache as well as data. So for that, you want to long press the application once again, and then go to this info or the app info and go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and clearing your storage is going to delete the data. If you're sure about it, only then tap on it, or else just leave it as it is. Now despite of doing all of these, if none of the steps work, you could try uninstalling the Duolingo app and then reinstalling it, and at the same time restarting your device by tapping onto the side buttons. That could be a potential way to fix the issue as well. However, if nothing seems to be working out, you could ensure your browser's audio settings are correctly configured if you are using a browser. Now, likewise, you could go ahead and contact the support team if nothing seems to be working out. So on the search box, you want to type in Duolingo support. And here you want to go ahead and click the first link that comes, and you want to list out the issue that you're facing, and they will be able to fix and solve the issue. So that's the way you could go ahead and fix and solve Duolingo sound. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.